Hello everyone, I'm audible. ओके सो किसी और की आवाज नहीं आई, सब अभी से थक गए हैं क्या? यस और नो कुछ कह सकते हैं और यू कैन टाइप इन द चैट. ओके सो ग्रेट. परेशान मत हो, मैं बोर नहीं होने दूंगी. ओके सो स्टार्टिंग विद ओरिएंटेशन, there are some ground rules, so we hope that you mute yourself, use chat box for any queries, feel free to turn on your video off, it's up to you. Also please don't spam. Let us know if you're having any issues with audio video. You can type in the chat. And if you've got questions, shoot them at the FAQ session. Okay, is that fine? Okay, that's great. Let's start. So last year, this was our orientation, but now COVID-19 has brought us to this platform, and now we are on Google Meet. So I hope it would also be great as we do live. So don't worry, it will be very nice, and you'll get to know everything about DSC IGDT. Let's start with the video because many of you have got doubts about how the DSC works and about how to become a lead in near future. So this video will tell you most about developer student clubs. This by a program manager at Google. So yeah, let's give it a okay.
Hi, I'm Erica. And I'm Komal. We're from Google Developers, and here to tell you about Developer Student Clubs. Developer Student Clubs train thousands of student developers globally and work with their communities to solve real-life problems.
I'm sure you're curious how it works. Google selects amazing students from across the globe once a year to be a Developer Student Club lead and start a club on their campus. These clubs host workshops to help students learn about Google technologies.
And they work with local businesses, startup NGOs, even their universities to build real solutions for real problems.
These leads believe knowledge is power and that technology can do extraordinary things for the world.
They take on the responsibility to help students learn and empower these students to solve real problems around them.
Through this experience, they not only bridge the gap between theory and practice for students, but leave a legacy of impact.
Join us in building a global community for students.
Okay, so this video basically told us about how Google selects leads across the world, and for future, if anyone of you want to become a developer student club lead, so this was the process and this was the site. Don't worry, I'll whenever the application opens, I'll tell you about this. So basically, what are developer student clubs? This is the third year of developer student clubs, and we are good, we are very good level now. We are at a very good level. So these are basically university based community groups for students interested in Google developer technologies and other technologies. Students from all the undergraduate or graduate programs with an interest in Google as a developer are welcome to join our club. By joining a DSC, students grow their knowledge in peer-to-peer learning environment, and they also build solutions for local businesses and their community. So this is about what Developer Student Clubs is. It's a community group helping you to grow and helping local communities by our solutions. Basically, our mission is to bridge the gap between theory and practice. There is a very huge gap between what we learn and what we are supposed to do in industry. So our mission is to bridge this gap and help you learn various technologies by building some good projects. Prime target of the community will be to provide you training wherever you face difficulties to convert the academic knowledge to build something in real life. We will be guiding such students by organizing workshops, meetups. We'll have coding challenges, hackathons, training sessions, and much more things. So, what we basically bring for you, what we have for you, first thing is experts. We'll have Google developer experts with us who can help you learn skills, who can help you excel in your career, and who can guide you, who can help you wherever you are stuck. Will have You will have companions to learn new skills from. Companions will help you learn new skills, and by their doubts, you will help learn various things that you must have not noticed even. So yeah, companions also play a major role. Then we'll have mentors to support your learning journey. We have always, like, I have always got to know that students lack guidance and support from anyone. Like, they want some guidance and support. They are stuck in between. They don't know how to start, they don't know how to go on. So, what we'll provide you with, we'll provide you with mentors. They will support you with your learning journey. They will help you wherever you are stuck, and they'll be present for you wherever you want them to be. We'll also have teams where you can build real life projects and work for local businesses, communities, or any problem you have around yourself. You want to solve that problem, make a team and come into DSCIGDW. We'll provide you with guidance, and you can like showcase your projects at various platforms. We'll also give you platforms. So this will be a key part, and this will be a major part of DSIGDW that will focus on building real life projects and helping people around us. And most important, you'll have a platform to share ideas. You can share ideas about what type of sessions you want to have, what type of workshops you want to have, what type of coding hackathons, what type of anything that you want to have. You can share ideas with us, and we'll provide you with a platform to go forward. And we have a lot for you, and we're still counting that you'll get to know about. Okay, so I would ask you all to just give it a read. Let's take 5 minutes and give it this quote a read. Okay, so what it is, I do think it's important to follow your dreams and do something which are you excited about by. And if you follow your heart and do what you like, you'll always do much better. It doesn't matter what your education qualification is, as said by Sundar Pichai. So we follow what you like. If you like having coding competitions, if you like having hackathons, we'll provide you with that. If you like web technologies, we'll provide you with the mentor, we'll provide you with the team, we'll combine you with the team, and you can work on web development projects. So it's basically like what you love is what you do here. We never force you to do anything. Basically, the structure for this year would be something like this. We have a lead and a core team. We have mentors specially selected for you all. We have project coordinators that will be helping you make projects, and mentees will be coordinated with the projects, whoever want to make projects. And we'll have members, participants, or volunteers. You'll get to know about all of them as we proceed. So we'll have various circles in DSCIGDW. So these are 7 till now, but we are open to increase the number. We are open to increase the number in your future if you have any other technology if you want to work on. So you're very welcome to join us. Till now, we have web development, we have Android development, machine learning and artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, AR, VR, we have Flutter, that's quite emerging, and we have DS Algo, important for interview preparation or for competitive programming. So yeah, these are 7 till now, but we are welcome to increase the number. So lead for this year is Sangeeta Jha, that's me. So I'm a technology explorer. I love to explore technology. I love to explore the breakthroughs of technology and work on them. I'm a web developer and I have developed various projects in Vue.js and I'm also working on React.js. I have designed my portfolio website and I'm working with in open source with student coding to make a psych help project that connects with psychological patients with the doctors. So these are some of my projects that I have made. Actually, when I was in my first year, I got to know about this DSC IGTW mentorship program. What this program was that we were coordinated with mentors, we coordinated with team members, and we started with learning the technology we want to. So my development interest started from DSC IGTW mentorship program. So yeah, it really have a very great impact if you work in a team, if you work under a mentor guidance, and it will provide you with various opportunities around you. So I'm always ready to grab opportunities around myself and do my best. When I'm not coding or designing, you can find me writing or singing. So this is my portfolio website. You can check that if you want. It's up to you. It's sangeetajha.web.app. My Twitter handle is Neha Sangeeta Jha, and this is my LinkedIn handle. You can find that on my portfolio website. And this is my GitHub, Neha Sangeeta Jha. You can connect with me anywhere you want. Feel free to connect. I'm not so technological person and no not so non-tech. I'm a mix and I'll try to help you anywhere you are stuck. Yeah, I'll try to help you as much as possible. So for this year, our core team members are Ritika and Nivedita. I would like Ritika and Nivedita to introduce themselves.
So, hi everyone, I'm Nivedita, one of the core team member, and I'm handling the position for management lead for DSC IGT2 2020 2021.
Hello everyone, this is Ritika Thakur, one of the core team member at DSC ISG2W. I'm currently handling the position of head of designing. I hope you all become a part of our club so that I could get a chance to learn something from each one of you. And I look forward to your participation. And thank you all for joining in today's event. It means a lot. Okay, so now we move on to the introduction of our mentors. So, all the people that you see here are very experienced in their respective fields, and they will be the one who are going to guide you in the upcoming mentorship program. So, we have six field, namely web development, whose mentor is Suhani Chawla. We have MLAI group, which will be handled by Muskan Lalit. Then we have Android development, and Tanisha Sharda is the mentor assigned for it. Then we have Flutter, and the mentor is Akansha Singh. Then we have ARVR, whose mentor is Shivani Kashyap. And lastly, we have cybersecurity, whose mentor is Nirmisha Goel. Okay, so now on this slide we have our project coordinators. So we have selected them on the basis of their understanding, engagement, and patience. So all the mentees will be assigned a project coordinator who will help them out with their doubt, and of course he will listen to your suggestions too. So here we have chosen Priya, Sonali, and Raksha Jain for web development, with Abhigya, Sharanka, Sanya, Pooja Gera for MLAI. We have Shachita Malhotra, Muskan, Shirin for Android development. We have Ojashvi for Flutter. We have Sukriti Dhawan for ARVR and Sakshi for cybersecurity.
So basically, the question is why to join us? Is it the question now also? Okay, so basically, why to join us is you learn to work with a team. You get to have this teamwork skill in your CV. You build a community of like-minded people that help you grow yourself and you can also help others grow. You get a platform to showcase your talent. You get a platform to showcase your projects. That the projects you'll make will be showcased at a competition organized by Google every year, and you'll solve real world problems. You'll help local communities solve their problems, and that also provides with a very good feeling from inside. You'll also help others grow. So, the societies, developer student clubs. Okay, that was much of branding. Now, the question is what's the question from the audience now? Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess now what's the question from you? Like, do you have any question? Please type it in chat. I'm waiting for you. You guys don't have any questions? Mentors for DSC are yet to be chosen. Any other thing that yeah, what is the process of joining DSC? So the question is how to join us. You got to know about why to join us, but you don't know yet how to join us. So how to join us is like this. We have our official website that you can go to. This is our official website, and this provides you much info about us. You can become a member of DSC, and you will get added to the official mailing list of DSC IGDTW. So you can just go to this website. You can click on become a member, and you'll be directed to this website, and you can join us. You have to make a Google account, and you can make a Google account, and you will be joined to our community on DSC community channel, DSC community webpage. And whenever we have an event, you'll get a mail about that for sure. Apart from this is our website, and our website has a tab for events. You'll get to know about all the events happening in DSC IGD2W. So since orientation was happening, so this will show like this: orientation, meeting link, timing was changed, some description. You'll have an event page, and you'll get the registration link. The recording we post in near future will also be, with link will also be posted here. So you can check this whenever you want, and you'll get to know about every event. Here will be the future events that will be happening, and here you'll get to know about all the past events. You can go to the event page, and you'll get everything about the event, about schedule, the speakers. You can connect with the speakers also. You can get the schedule. You'll get to know about the partners, and you'll get to know about our team. Apart from this, our team will be showcased here. We'll have all the speakers here. This is something about us. Please make sure to follow our community guidelines and the anti-harassment policy. You can contact us. You can mail to us at dscigtw@gmail.com if you have any queries. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, GitHub, LinkedIn, and we'll have a YouTube channel where all the sessions recording will be posted. So you can subscribe to our YouTube channel to get to know about, like, many of you are not able to join this session, are not able to join. So we'll post the recording and you can see that. And if the near future, if any one of you love to write technical blogs, we'll post your blogs here. So this was about our website, and it has two themes. Also, you can enable push notifications on your mobile on or your laptop. So whenever an event is going to start, you'll get a push notification about that, and you'll not miss it. We'll make sure. Okay. These are our handles. Yeah, Niveta will tell you about this.
So you can also join us as a volunteer. So there must be a question in your mind, what we have to do as a volunteer. So here's the answer. You have to complete at least 12 tasks in complete year. After completion of your tasks, you will get a certificate of volunteership and some surprises. There are four domains for work: content, media, sponsorship, and event management and publicity.
So you can also join us as a volunteer and you'll get the benefits of being a DSC IGDW team member. You can get in touch with us. These are our Instagram handles. You can directly DM us with any doubts you have. We'll be happy to catch up. So thank you. Any questions? Okay, so don't leave. We have one more thing for you. Actually, we wanted to know that which platform is most suitable for you. Like you want to join us on Slack, you want to join us on Telegram, or you want to join us on uh, Discord. So we want to know from you. So we have a small poll for you. If you can go to this website, slido.com. You can go to this website, slido.com, and join us at slido.com at 45090 is the code. Please tell us that which platform do you prefer for future communication of events and everything happening in DSA IGD2W.
Sangeeta, can you share the link
Mhm.
of Slido to in the chat box?
Okay, sure. Please poll on the slido.com and this is the ID. You have to like enter there. Please join. We are waiting for your answers. You can also post your question answers on Slido. We'll get we'll like we'll see here. Don't post here. I'm activating the quiz. Yeah, you can like poll it on. You can see the poll, right? Okay, so Slack is 42%, Telegram is 51%, and Discord is 12% till now. We'll go with the one that majority prefers because we don't want you to miss any of our events. If anyone of you don't know about Slack and Telegram, like Slack is a very professional platform where you have channel for announcements, you have channel for discussions in various domains. You can have various channels like for web, for Android, for any other technological field that you have. Slack can have various channels on just one group. Telegram is like you can have a channel of announcement and you'll have a discussion group for the same. So you don't have much channels, and for many channels you can make various groups. Discord is also quite like Slack, but it's not professional. It's not professional to use Discord, but if you guys prefer, we can go with any of the one. Like 46, 46. Is this a draw? Are you all done with the poll? Please don't leave at acha, okay. It's increasing and decreasing. I've not added WhatsApp because WhatsApp is not easy to handle. We have so many groups on WhatsApp and it's like quite hectic. Okay, so I'm closing the poll and I guess everyone can see the results, right? Okay, so if any questions, you can like unmute yourself and ask. Shivangi Sahai said, what is the criteria for applying for the position of a mentor? So position for applying as a mentor, you have to have some good projects, you have to have some good experience with that technology. The mentors we have selected have good experience in these fields, so they'll be able to guide people under them. Yeah, so we are going with Slack. Sharon is very happy. Any other questions, you can just unmute yourself and ask. It's completely fine. For being a project coordinator, we require your 50%, like we require your 100% participation in guiding people. You have to handle people under you, you have to force them to work, you have to make deadlines, you have to make timelines for them. That project must be divided into various timelines. You have to have some leadership skills for people of same age as you. Could you please share the project's members completed under DSC IGDT last year? So last year our DSC IGDTW was very, I can say dead. We actually we don't have much of good projects that were there. But in my first year, like in 2018, we made some basic apps. That was a college buddy app, and yeah, that was all. You can expect everything this year. We'll make projects, we'll have coding competitions, we'll have hackathons, and we'll have much more.
Well,
You can
in the orientation, there was something announced as there would be some Google competition. Could you please elaborate it a little more? That what sort of a competition it would be?
yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Just I'll show you the website and like you can check. So we have event with Google. The projects we are building here can be showcased at the Solution Challenge of Developer Student Clubs. So this was 2020 Solution Challenge demo day where the teams that were selected for the final round showcased their project with the CEO of various good organizations, various Google developers joined us in this demo day. These were as the top 10 winners, and this is the platform, and 2021 solution challenge will be going to happen. And join a DSC near you and start brainstorming on how you can help out your local community. So, like, how you are helping your local community, and what sort of solution do you have for your for problems around you, and what sort of solutions you make for them, that matters, and that can be showcased in the solution challenge. You can each make a team. You can, like, the team we will make will have them to apply to the solution challenge, and Google will select some solutions, and you'll go to various rounds. You'll have various demo days, you'll have project showcase. Yeah, this is a quite introduction about this solution challenge. You heard from Erica Hansen in the video, and these were the people who joined us at 2020 Solution Challenge Day. So you get to network with various Google developers. Yeah, this is a quite good thing. This is the competition. Yeah. Anything else? There are no criteria to be a mentee. We require 100% participation wherever you want to. Like, if you want to be in development, give your 100%. Yeah. So basically, you have a question that how to join us. Like, mentors and project coordinators are already selected, but no, we are not complete yet. We'll open forms for the mentors, project coordinators, volunteers, and mentees now. We'll open them, and whoever who was not able to fill the form can fill the form now. Actually, teams are not made yet. We'll combine the mentees and we'll add you to our Slack channels. You can make the teams there. To apply for these positions, you can go to this link. Is there anything I missed about? Any suggestions you want to have for our coming session, or any question left? Srishti was saying something, if I'm not wrong. Janvi, if you have already responded, like you already filled the form when I circulated that. It may be because of that. We'll allow multiple responses, don't worry. Check around 6 today. Anything else that's left? How to apply for mentee? This form will have the option to apply for mentees as well. I'll just open it for all, and you can like respond.
What's the difference between mentees and coordinator?
Difference between mentees and coordinator is, like, coordinator is the one we'll talk to. Like, we'll talk about the timeline of the project, what's going on. She will be there to provide you with the timeline, will provide you with a, I'll say, she will lead you in the project. It will be like project lead. She'll make a timeline, and you all have to follow that. Mentees have to follow that.
So could you tell the hierarchy?
Hierarchy is mentors, then project coordinators, and then we have mentees.
Okay.
Is it open now, Janvi? Can you check? Ria, Check again. It has option for first year. Kriti, we don't want that you have a you have a very good technical knowledge, but we will love to have your enthusiasm in working in this field. We just want your enthusiasm. We just want that you guide people of your same age. You have to maintain the project. You have to maintain the project completely. Mentee is the one who will be learning under us, and volunteer will be the one who will be helping us in our various events. Volunteer can, you didn't see this slide. Volunteer will help us in content media like video editing or video making, sponsorship, event management, and publicity. They'll be helping us, and mentee will be learning from us. Janvi, now the form has mentee option also. Please check. As soon as we select you as mentees and add you in the Slack channel, we'll start with making teams. If you have teams, you can like collaborate, and if you don't have, we'll make a team. Form for mentees are already released. Please go to bit.ly/dscigdw core. Also has the form for mentees. Yeah, sure. I'll just share.
What does public relations include?
Public relations include publicity. Don't know about the PR team of various fest,
Okay.
publicizing our events. Like, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Vrinda, as soon as you join Slack, we'll talk about this team making. I have planned this much also only, but if you have any suggestions, we are open to your suggestions. We are open to form another circles. Like if you're interested in Firebase or any other technology that's emerging, we can also form a circle for that. This is the only form, and this is option for volunteers, mentees, mentors, and project coordinators. Since ME batch was not didn't know about the core recruitment, so we have opened that also again. That's okay, Simran. We just want your participation, and yeah, so it's fine. Pooja, you can work on multiple projects. Completely depends upon you. If you can give time to multiple projects, you're welcome to do so. Ekta, you have an expertise in one domain. So Ekta, check both the boxes. Check both the boxes for area of expertise and add the GitHub link. We'll check your GitHub and we'll add you in that. Like if you have expertise in one field, you'll be added as expertise in that field and mentee as another field. You can do that. Gunjan, there is option for the first year. Please check. Yeah, Shagun, volunteers can also work as mentees. Yeah. Volunteers basically only have one criteria that at least 12 contributions are required. If you do that 12 contributions, you are like certified as a volunteer for DSC IGDW. And of course, you can be mentees. You get to work on various projects. We'll be happy to know about your ideas on projects if you can enter them in the queries or suggestions box in the form. If you have any good idea, if you want to solve anything around yourself. As soon as you fill the form, we'll share the links of Slack with you all. Kamya, that's a good one. Please write that in the form. Please mention that.
We have already filled the form, but I have a team. We all participated in a hackathon today, so we had an idea behind it. Should I fill the form again?
Yeah, sure, sure. You can fill the form again. Everyone can fill the form again. Also, Pooja Kera, you had something about virus challenge. Would you like to tell them? Mm, you must have a LinkedIn profile because you want to go for, if you don't want to go for any placements, you must have a LinkedIn profile. You should start with it now, Ria. But yeah, if you don't have any, just write, just give, just make one and add that link. Yeah, Sharma, 2019. Yeah, that batch is considered as first year, but we don't have any that batch now. That is not considered as Priya. 2019 batch is now second year. First year will be the one who will join us in 2020. Yeah, of course, you can use any email ID, the one you prefer. I don't have any idea about MLEI. Our mentors and project coordinators will be helping you with that. Please mention that in the form. We have first year batch from MCA, so maybe that's the case. People are searching for first year. So actually, I guess Pooja is not there, or maybe she has left.
No,
Pooja,
no,
can
I
you
am here. I'm sorry. I my internet was unstable. Could you please repeat what happened?
like I was asking you to tell them about the virus challenge.
Oh, all right. So
Yeah.
the virus challenge is basically a challenge for which will go on for 100 days, starting from 18th of September. We have 12 domains. The 12 domains are broadly classified into web development, machine learning, competitive programming, and design. The 12 domains are React, CSS tricks, CSS drawings, JavaScript, data structures in JavaScript, web scraping, SQL, Python, data analysis, machine learning, UI designing, and competitive programming. So from 18th of September, we would be starting it. DSC, IGTW are one of our partners in learning. And we have a set of mentors as well who would be there guiding the participants for their challenges. We will also be sharing resources according to the challenges. So that is something, and we will also be providing certificates in the end, and also some badges which the participants can share on their social media. The badges would be in accordance to their completion of challenges, and we also have one little surprise for the participants which will be released towards the end. We're not disclosing that right now, but it's something very good. Our head of operations Chetna Gola is working on that. So that is also another thing. Apart from that, we have special recognition for those people who complete 100 challenges with utmost sincerity. And since we would be monitoring those challenges on our own, there is a team who will be monitoring that. So they will also be, they will also be recognized. One more thing about the virus challenge is that we also have a team of international developers and designers who would be looking at their challenges. So they will also be getting valuable suggestions and insights about how to improvise their results, and the things they're creating, because it happens that not when people are not from India, they start at a very early age. So at our age, they have industrial exposure already. So when you will be participating here, you will also be connecting with them. And since it's going to be over Discord, the mentorship for the participants, your contacts will also not be shared. So the privacy situation is also guaranteed. That's about it. And I really thank Sangeeta Di and DSC IGDW for agreeing to be our partners in learning. As IGDW is our home society, and we wanted them to be a part of this. Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja. That was quite all. So whoever fills the form, will share the link of this virus challenge with them. We'll mail them the link. You don't worry about the link. Gunjan, can you go for more than two preferred roles? We guess I personally think that you'll not able to give time to things more than two. Like you can not give so much time. So the maximum is only two. Leave the WhatsApp group. We'll join you. We'll add you on Slack. Whoever fills the form will mail you with the Slack join ID, and we'll also mail the virus challenge. You can also join that. Ayushi, it depends upon the preferred role. It depends upon the preferred role. If you want to join us as a mentee, choose the area of expertise you want to get mentored on. And if you want to join us as mentor or project coordinator, choose the one which we are already good at. Pooja, we'll mail that link if that's okay. Also, please be cool because I'm not like lectures वैसे ही हमारे कॉलेज में कम नहीं होते हैं कि और lectures होने लग जाएं. जितना आप जितना फ्री रहोगे, जितना कूल रहोगे, उतना ज्यादा सीख पाओगे. तो be open, and अगर कुछ भी suggestion है, you can ping me. Yeah. You can join us as a volunteer. You can also join us working on different projects. But if you don't work, if you don't give time to anyone, we'll remove you from that. Everyone has to fill the form again if you have not got any mails from us. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave and fill the form. We'll connect with you, or you can connect with me or DSCIGTW on our official website. That's dscigtw.web.app. Please open this website on your mobile phones and you can like add it to your home screen. It's also a web app. Remember to join us on DSC community so that you can get mails about our events. Thank you so much for joining. You can also leave feedbacks. Yeah, Yogita, if you have not received any mail from us, please fill the form. You can leave the feedbacks about the session. Yeah, Nidhi, you can. Please leave feedback. That's good to hear, Shrishti. We want to like provide you with that only. Looking forward to connect with you, Shagun.
Hey Sangeeta,
Hey, yeah.
I want to ask that the coordinators have to also have to fill the form.
No, no, if you have got mail from us, you don't have to fill the form. But
Okay,
if you have not got, then you don't. Yeah.
okay, what exactly the form is about,
The
and
form
like
is
the
about,
volunteer part.
sorry?
Only the volunteer part is there in the form, or the feedback or something.
No, the form includes volunteer, mentors, project coordinators, and mentees.
Okay, so we don't have to fill the form, right?
No,
If
yeah.
already we already get got it.
Mhm.
Okay.
Riddhi, you just fill the form. Please give us some time. We'll mail you the confirmation. Thanks, Sumishri Das. Thanks, Mansi. Gunjan, project coordinator, will be leading the project and will be helping mentees to work through the project, and she'll be setting the timeline for the project so that everything goes well. Yeah, Disha will try to provide you with various opportunities. Yeah, exactly. We need your participation. Welcome to DSC, Kamya. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. For sure, Rishali. Yeah.